you know, do you know what the word thirst trap is?
Thirsty. Wow. Go for it.
Do you know it?
No.
It's basically the same type thing. They're saying, hey, look at my necklace, but they're actually getting you to look at their breasts, not the necklace.
Sneaky.
Or do you like my shirt? But really, they want you to look at their abs. Okay.
Rez. Sorry, man. We got some people here. I'm just calling some people out right now.
We got
showing the abs.
This is a fun
That's Rez.
game.
Hi.
Come.
What's up, man?
We need your abs in the shot.
One shot, please.
This is a thirst trap. Do you like my watch? Oh, do you like my bracelet? And there you go. He shows the abs. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. The challenge that another thing, a big turnoff for women who are dating online. You've never had to do this online. However, when guys, you message a girl and all it is, hey, sup, sexy.
They're sliding into the DM. I do know that term.
Sliding into the DMs. What do you think of guys? Do you have advice for a man, a boy, a guy who's dating, 18 to 25, your community of men that want a relationship, and the first thing they slide into the DM is, hey. I mean, how would you receive that? What kind of message would you send, Mike?
What kind of message would I send? I'd probably wait and send a message. I'm pretty bad at this situation.
Yeah. Okay.
Recommend. What should they say? Because I would be at a loss.
You would be at a loss?
I would be at a loss.
I should ask Mona.
I would send them a picture of Rez's abs.
Okay, that's right.
But I'd be
and they're
thirsty.
not your abs. You'd be thirsty. What's that?
Blocked.
Blocked. Oh, Mona says blocked. Yes, that's what happens. Okay, guys, get this. You get one chance to make a first impression, and it's 3 to 7 seconds to form that impression.
Write this down. Write
All
this
right,
down.
one
This is
chance to
note-taking
make a
time.
first impression. And here's the thing: when you're online, you're in competition. Consider yourself on stage. I'm going to try to use bodybuilding terminology as a metaphor.
I like this.
Okay, but imagine you're being judged, and your first message is a sup, little to no effort, and you're trying to attract a woman and stimulate her mind. The biggest sexual organ is the brain. Okay, you entice a woman's mind, you become more attractive. Because guess what? 50 other guys will not have originality or creativity, and all they'll do is say the sup, what's up, baby. Secondly, do not comment a woman on her already good looks. She knows she's good looking, right? Like to tell her she's beautiful. Oh my God, you're stunningly beautiful. Did you fall down from
She has
heaven?
100 of those already.
100 of those. Say something else. Comment on her style. Comment on something that most men would not comment on. That's what I would say when it comes to first message. There is a formula. So I do teach men and women a formula to first messages because you have to show that you've read the profile.
Okay.
Have you ever even seen a dating profile, like in reality? Or any of your buddies like show you what they're scrolling through?
No, it's just an all visual thing.
So you've
But that's
never
a guy
actually
thing,
been,
right?
yeah.
Like when my boys come up in the gym and they're like, I'm checking for a date tonight, and he's on Tinder, and he's just flipping through, like that. That's it.
Okay, literally. So it doesn't read anything else. Okay, so that's the difference between a dating app. So dating apps are popularized. Tinder popularized the swiping culture. So that's just judging people if they're hot or not, right? When you're on a dating site like a Match.com or eHarmony or Plenty of Fish, someone actually has to spend time and write all the questions out, go through their criteria. So you're telling more of a story. So the other thing I would advise you...
So the two aspects is I just want to date, where the other one's I want a relationship.
They're both. You can actually use Tinder to formulate a relationship, but you've got to be really creative, really intentional with even the pictures that you're posting. So you're posting flattering photos. Most guys don't know that there's a little blurb or bio. It is your elevator pitch, but it's your dating pitch.
You get that one moment.
You get that one moment, 3 to 7 seconds, and that's it. So that's a common thing that men do. Or if a woman has sex with a man we'll leave you out of this. On a first date, does that necessarily mean she doesn't?